Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the KP automation tool. So basically, this is for those people who are learning KP astrology, and also this is a specifically tool for who is doing practice in KP astrology. Sometimes what happen is the people is not capable enough to go ahead and read the books at the time when they need some information about certain KP rules, right? So for that, I have created a tool which is KP automation. So basically, how it is going to work in case if I want to get the information that first house sublord is in the 10th house, what could be the result? So if I hit that 1-10, then automatically you will going to get a message. Now you can see it is the English version as well as the Hindi version, right? And in case, let's say if I want to know that third house sublord is in the second house, now what is going to happen? So the rules are very clear. You are able to see that. Now I am able to see that third house Cuspal sublord, if it is in the second house, then the person is going to get money with the efforts. Okay, so this is how it is going to work. So if you have a question like, let's say the second house sublord, if it is in the eighth house, now what is going to happen? So whatever the rule, it is there in your mind, right? So automatically you are going to get the answer according to the question which you are putting up. So right now we have built it up with a houses detail. That means if you want to know the first house sublord is in the 10th house, or the second house sublord it is in the 12th house, or third house sublord it is there in the 11th house, what is going to happen? So like that you can ask any of the houses. So we are already going through the configuration of each and every houses, so that you can ask questions, and later we are going to make more changes, more enhancement in this particular tool. So hope this tool is beneficial and you are liking it. And in case you have any more doubts, you can comment in the video, or you can come back to us. And my numbers is 9711310775. Thank you, take care, namaste. And this is Acharya Joy Banerjee signing off from Vedic-Astro.